Mm. Mm. Hello fam, welcome back to our channel TV. Good to see you back, guys. There's something I brought you in for. I'm in the kitchen, as you can see. I want to make yesterday I went to buy something. And there where I bought something, they gave me a gift. And what was that gift? They gave me a banana. And the banana is very ripened one. So since that yesterday I was thinking, what do I do with it? It's too ripe to be eaten, ripened to be eaten like that. So I decided, so I don't know how it will be. I hope it will come out fine. So guys, so stay tuned and let us do it together. If you are new to this channel, subscribe please, subscribe and get the bell notification on. Look at the bananas. Look at it. They are really well ripened. You see, you can't eat them like this. They are too ripened to be eaten like this. So that is why I want to use it for this recipe. Okay, so let's do it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong.
It's a lot of work, guys. I'm even sweating, eh? I'm sweating. It's so much work. It's so. Let's go and put it under the heat. I kept it at the balcony, so the sun will work on it. I need to leave it for like 1 to 2 hours before frying. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, oh please. If you have not subscribed, please don't watch and get carried away and you will not subscribe. It's very, very important to us, okay? Help this channel to move, please. Help our channel TV to move. Guys, it's just 1 hour since I put this thing outside. It's just an hour. Look at what I'm seeing here. Look at Lily, how happy she is because of puff puff. They are so happy they want to eat puff puff. It's going to be their dinner. Huh? They are taking their snacks.
No!
When you are taking your snacks.
No!
They are taking their snacks.
No!
Well, that's your own move.
No!
Once it comes out, I'll leave it for them. They eat as they like. At the end of the day, they will take some cup of tea, a cup of tea each person.
Yeah!
But I think it's almost ready. Let's get it out. Up. Let's get it out. So guys, look at the outcome of the banana puff puff. Girls, it's ready. It's time to taste. Join us. Let's give it a taste.
A good taste.
Look at it, guys. Can you see it? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. We'll give it a taste. Okay.
So hot.
Good.
This is very good.
Guys, this is yummy. It's so yummy. How is it, guys?
This is good.
Don't mind Lily. She has been shouting, "Mommy, is it not ready?" Now it's ready. Guys,
See.
it's okay, shush, wait. Guys, to be sincere, it is very delicious. Give this recipe, sorry. Give this recipe a trial. Do the trial. Yeah? Let me tell. Don't forget to give it a trial. Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Mm.
Cheers, guys.
Mm. Cheers, guys. This is on top.
Cheers, guys.
So do give it a try. Don't forget, overripened banana is the magic. So until next in our next video, until we see you in our next one. Till we see you in our next one, guys. One love. Bye.